All right, good afternoon, traders. This is your free video from seasonalswingtrader.com. Today is Tuesday, August 29th, 2017. First and foremost, we want to extend our thoughts and prayers to all the victims and family members out in the Houston and Texas area. We hope everybody has a safe recovery as they deal with the storm. So let's look at a stock that has been in the headlines due to the recent aftermath of the hurricane, and that is UAL, United Continental, as well as some of the other airline stocks. Traded weaker on the news as the storm obviously caused several delays. We had UAL and DAL Delta both appear on our weekly seasonal radar scans for the week. Trades to the long side. Looking at UAL, you can see here on a daily chart, we had a nice, we had a 1, 2, 3 top pattern up here that had achieved profit target. Now we are working our way down to the 50% retracement level, it appears, which is $60.35. Looks like we might be trying to round out here and make a turn to go higher, which would align nicely with the seasonals. You can see we've got some past support here that we've already breached here at 64.13. If we look at a weekly chart, you can see here that we have some good support here right above the 50% retracement level. So this is $61.55, 61 double nickel here. Should provide some support here along with a possible 50% retracement. So we flip back to the daily chart, and what we're eyeing here is a retest of the 50% retracement level at $60.35. Or if we don't quite extend down to that level, we'll be looking to break this minor short-term trend line higher, which would be around the $63.65 level. So one of two things, we'll look for bottoming support here at the 50% retracement level. Our momentum indicators are starting to turn back up to the upside. This is our 9-day moving average and our 20 average, so we'll want to see the 9 start to tick higher as well. Since we've noted support here at the $61 and the $60.50 level, and again on the weekly chart here at $61.55, $61.60, that is an area that we may look to sell some out of the money put spread. So if we go back and look at an option chain here, we want to look at shorting the $60 strikes or lower. Well, we're looking at the October expiration. This trade is about a 6-week trade. Historically has risen 5.1% over the past 11 years of stock performance. So looking at the 60s, this gives us a good starting point here. We want to do a spread, a put credit spread. The 60.57 halves, mid price is giving you about 70 cents, so $70 per one lot traded with a $2.50 of risk, then less the 70 cents that you bring in a premium. Those that want to go out a little bit further out of the money can bring in approximately 45 cents as of this recording, bringing 45 cents in for the 57 halves, 55, selling the 57 halves, buying the 55s, or we can look at the 60s and spread it out to a 5 wide and bring in more premium. Selling the 60s, buying the 55s brings you $1.15 or $150 per contract, $115 per contract with a $5 risk. So your max risk on the trade, if we blew down through 55, is $3.85. We take $5, the 60 and 55, add the premium we received of $1.15, so the max risk is $3.85. Now your risk on the trade is going to be if we start to break down below the 50% retracement level. Personally, I'd wait to see if we can crack above this trend line here before getting long, or wait until we get a pullback down to the 50% retracement level. Watch the price action, see if we hold, get a nice bullish candle reversal at the 50% retracement level, which would ideally be simultaneous to a break of the trend line. That's where we would look to get long on UAL. So that's the trade idea of the week in the equity market. Please feel free to follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, and we'll see you on the next update. Traders, like what you see, want more trade ideas each week? Take a $7 30-day complete member access trial by clicking the link below. You'll have immediate access to analysis and seasonal trade ideas on over 35 commodity and currency futures markets, as well as coverage on all of the major stocks, exchanges, and ETFs in the U.S. marketplace. If you like us, follow us on Twitter and Facebook, like us on YouTube, and we hope to see you on the inside.